In rounds 5 through 7, you're going to be putting 1 single crochet in each stitch around. Lucky for us, crocheting is very forgiving. If you ever do make a mistake, you can just take your hook out and pull until all of the stitches that you don't want come out. Hopefully you won't have to do this too often, but it does happen to the best of us, so if you have to pull some stitches out, don't worry about it. Now we're all done with round 5. You should have 24 stitches in this round. Don't forget to move that stitch marker. Round 6 is just a repeat of round 5, so we're going to do 1 single crochet in each stitch around. Since we are doing multiple rows that are the same, I like to keep a stitch marker in the first row in that sequence. So I'm going to grab another stitch marker to mark the end of the 6th row. It's not as big of a deal on our little chick, but this trick will come in handy when you work on larger projects where you may lose count of what round you're on. Having a stitch marker at the beginning of a sequence as well as the last round that you did is going to make it easier for you to keep your place. Now we have one more round of putting 1 single crochet in each stitch around. Now we're all finished with our 7th round, so go ahead and move your second stitch marker. Now you can see that your first stitch marker is at round 5, which is the beginning of our repeated sequence, and your second stitch marker is at the end of round 7. Like I mentioned earlier, since this is only a 3-round sequence, it isn't really a big deal. Marking the first round of a repeated sequence is a good habit to get into though, so you don't lose count on those bigger projects. Your chick is starting to really take shape, so I hope you're proud of your work and excited to keep going.